Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's labour cost at 9 GMT. Italy's consumer price index will be released at 8 GMT. Canada's housing starts at 12:15 GMT. China's industrial production at 2 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Federal Reserve's balancing act between concerns about a weakening labour market and still above target inflation will take centre stage for investors in the coming week as they weigh risks to the rally in the US stock market. Oil prices jumped on Friday and settled higher as Israel and Iran traded airstrikes, feeding investor worries that the combat could widely disrupt oil exports from the Middle East. Both benchmarks had their largest intraday moves since 2022, when Russia's invasion of Ukraine caused a spike in energy prices. Gold prices soared as investors flocked to safe haven assets following Israeli airstrikes on Iran, reigniting fears of a broader conflict in the Middle East. US gold futures settled 1.5% higher.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar gained 0.4% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair fell 0.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair exploded 4.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.